So we are giving MSc Physics online classes. Welcome to Smart Academy. So already I covered 3 classes for you. Today is the 4th class in electrostatics part. So today our topic is electric field. So what is electric field? See, here it is there in the word only. Field is there. See, due to a charged particle or due to a charged body, the field of effective field, that means the charge is influences. The charge is influences field. For example, this is a charge Q, this is the influence space. Influenced space by this charge. So this total space is called electric field. Electric field. See, if it is positive charge, some space is affected by this charge. Influence is there. For example, this is a charged body. It is positive charged body, negative charged body. The effect is influenced. So how much space is influenced by this charged body or charged particle? The total space is called electric field. So next, first one we completed electric field. Second one, intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field. So this one, the force experienced by a unit positive charge. The force experienced by a unit positive charge placed at that point. For example, Q is a positive charge. The force experienced for example, this is having electric field E. See, the force experienced by this unit positive charge in electric field E is called intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field. Field is unit vector quantity. Electric field is also vector quantity. E equal to F by Q. That means how much force is experienced by a unit positive charge is called intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field. See, this is a positive charge we get at O. So due to this positive charge, it created some electric field. How much force is experienced by this positive charge is called intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field. E equal to F by Q. E equal to F by Q. So here this is vector quantity, this is vector quantity. So we can write it as like this. Limit Q tends to 0. F by Q. We can write like this also. In limits. So generally intensity of electric field equal to F by Q. The units for this Newton by Coulomb. Newton per Coulomb. That is intensity of electric field. So next one we discuss here intensity of electric field. So already we written F by Q, that is equal to the unit for this one Newton per Coulomb. So what is the direction of intensity of electric field? So it is first vector quantity. vector quantity. Second one, the direction is same. The direction is same, that of electrostatic force. So what is the force direction? So same as the electric field intensity direction. So as same as force direction. The force acting and in positive charge, the force direction is same as electric field intensity direction. The next one, see here a Q naught positive charge is there, otherwise we take it as Q. So at distance R, what is electric field at distance R from charge Q? So what is the intensity of electric field which is distance from R? That value equal to E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square. So the electric field intensity at a distance R from a charge Q, that is equal to Q by R square epsilon naught. It is in A. Next one, for example, it is in medium. The charge Q it is in A, the electric field intensity equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R square in A. So if it is any medium, so constant K 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square in any medium. So here R is the distance from a charge Q at any point. The distance, so the electric field intensity, a distance at R from a point charge Q, that is equal to 1 by 4% Q by R square. If it is in A, this one. If it is in medium, this one. So next one, fifth, electric field intensity not due to a single charge. If it is continuous distribution, this continuous distribution by principle of superposition. So this is due to a charge Q. It is single charge. If it is a continuous distribution of some charge, then what it will be? So electrical intensity at any point due to charge Q1, due to charge Q2, due to charge Q3, so like that. So summation of individual charges, the electrical intensity summation of due to individual charges is equal to total electric field at any point E. That means, for example, this is Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3, this is Q4. So we have to calculate electric field intensity at point P. So due to this one, due to this one, due to this one, due to this one. This is R1 distance, R2, R4. Like that we can add. So this is 5 points regarding to electric field intensity. Now intensity of electric field, I covered 5 points. Now sixth point. If a charge is experienced in an electric field, the force experienced F equal to EQ. So acceleration of the particle. So the charge Q, it is in electric field E. The force on electric field, F, force on point charge, that is equal to F equal to EQ. So for acceleration equal to EQ by M. Here A is vector quantity, electric field intensity is vector quantity, Q by M. See here, if Q is positive, charge, so the acceleration is parallel to electric field. So the direction of acceleration is parallel to direction of electric field. If Q is negative, see the direction of acceleration parallel to negative of opposite of electric field, that is minus E. So this is a sixth point. The force experienced by a Q positive charge, otherwise a Q positive charge, the force is F equal to EQ. So the acceleration of the charge equal to EQ by M. So that here I discussed the acceleration direction, electric field intensity direction. Q is positive charge, these two are parallel. If Q is negative charge, these two are not parallel. So that is, it is parallel to negative direction of electric field. So this is the sixth point. Next, seventh one. What is seventh one? Seventh one is the electric force is independent of mass. The electric force independent of F equal to EQ. See here, the force experienced by Q charge is equal to F equal to EQ. In the equation, there is no mass. Next, there is no velocity. So here, by this one, we can conclude the force experienced by a Q charge in an electric field is independent of mass of the particle, is independent of velocity of the particle. So it depends on electric field intensity and depends on charge only. That is equal to F equal to EQ. Next, eighth one. So see, for example, F equal to EQ. So here, if E is constant, F is depends. The force is depends on Q charge. If it is positive charge, Q is positive. The force direction, for example, this side. If Q is negative, the force direction opposite to the initial direction. So it depends on nature of the charge. These are the 8 points about the intensity of electric field.